Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to update your shipping address on Etsy? Whether you moved, entered the wrong address or want deliveries sent somewhere else, you can change your shipping details, but timing matters. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to change your shipping address on Etsy in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, important reality check. Address can be changed before shipments. It works on mobile and desktop. Future orders update instantly and sellers control shipped orders. So the first method is change shipping address for future orders. Okay, so on Etsy app, or let's say the desktop because they are the same almost, go to Etsy.com, sign in, click profile icon. Okay, select go to accounts, settings. Okay, select addresses. Okay, from here, edit or add new address. Okay, tap here, and new address becomes defaults once you change them. Okay, so you can also, if order is still processing, open purchases and reviews, select the order, click message seller, send corrected address immediately. For example, hi, I entered the wrong shipping address, could you please ship to this updated address, and type the address. Okay, so this is it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.